Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach a PDF file to your email on Microsoft Outlook in the year 2026 using a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a PDF file. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go directly to Microsoft Outlook. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now click on New Email, increase the size of the email window. Now let's select the recipient, which will be Rayhan at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Click on this, add a subject, which will be PDF file. Compile the email, which will say, Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached PDF file. As per your request. Let's now go to a brand new desktop. Go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder. Now locate the PDF file. Trial document. Right click. Copy. Paste to the desktop. Let's now quit Finder, go back to the email. Let's now click on Insert, Attach File, browse this computer. We'll take us directly to the desktop, go to PDF Documents, click on Open. That is now attached to the email. Let's then type in kind regards, admin. We can now send email. So that itself has now been sent. Let's now go to Send Items. PDF file, Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached PDF file as per your request. Kind regards. Admin, click on the PDF file itself, which is on screen. We can increase the document itself. We can then, if we wish to, save to OneDrive, copy, download. If we need to, we can now click on X. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now. Or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.